Everyone, today we are going to talk about the share law group, which is the best law group regarding the solution of your problems of insurance related matters. So, in our previous videos, we discussed the role of a defense attorney in. So, today we will talk about the share law group and we will tell you that how it is the best lawyer group for your problems regarding insurance matters. First of all, we check their team, which is most experienced team. First is Anthony or Cher, managing partner, and the second is Lisa, on which attorney at law, and the third is Stephenson Cher, attorney at law, and then is Jules Halley, office manager, and the Ronald Cher in memoriam. The last one has died, their colleague, and now we can check that how we can contact this group. Here is their address and phone number. This is their location 101 Avert CST Suite 1 Norriston PA 19401, and the call number is 484593000. And sign up to receive our newsletter. If you want to receive newsletter, you can sign up for their website. Sherlock Group, located in Norriston, PA, is proud to serve clients in Ardmore, Bala, Kennard, Colleyville, and Harrisburg, King of Prussia, Lancebell, Montgomery County, Nearbath, Philadelphia, Scranton, Wayne, Gibson Hill, and the Greater Pennsylvania area. Note the use of Internet or this firm for communication with the firm or any individual member of the firm does not establish an attorney-client relationship. Confidential or time-sensitive information should not be sent through this firm. They are saying us that if you are trying to contact through this firm, then your private information should not be revealed because this will not be considered as client and a lawyer relationship until you sign a deal with them that you are hiring them. So please be cautious when you are contacting them. Only send specific questions and suggestions, not the your private data. So here they are providing services of insurance defense. You can see if you click on it. Insurance defense lawyers in Pennsylvania, and you can see that how many lawyers that are living in Pennsylvania are available insurance defense, so you can contact them if you need any assistance. So thank you. Bye.